Jake's first car wash. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, Jake. It's okay. It's okay, sweetie pie.
It's okay.
I know you're scared, but it's not going to hurt us. It's washing the car.